I feel like similar to like peanut butter and stuff like that, people are trying to just shove AI into every conversation, shove it on everything else everywhere. With AI tools like Copilot becoming part of the security toolkit, whether we like it or not, right? How do you separate and identify the real operational value of this capability and these capabilities from the actual
Mhm.
marketing hype of like, it's transformative, put it on everything kind of thing, right? Like, where do you draw that line and how do you identify that?
My point in bringing that up is like, are we really at AI? Because now we're using interesting terms where we're like general AI, which is
Right.
like AI sentient, and now it's
Uh-huh.
autonomous and it's self-reflective and it can think. Or are we just in a really super slick, sophisticated model of what we were playing around with?
Yep.
Really just machine learning, and we're putting in these conditional if then, if this happens, then do this. So the LLMs are magnificent. They're amazing. And the amplification of productivity has just been incredible, truly. But if we think about what's really happening with those, the token is just searching for the very next word in the string.
Right.
It's like everything that came before me makes me, from a like a programmatic machine learning conditional standpoint, this is the very next word. I'm like, is that AI? So I want to answer your question. Like, I do. We're in a bad like myth versus reality situation right now in the market where it's like everything's got an agent, which I love, but I feel like the faster we can move through like the hype zone of like I've got AI, this has AI, and just be like, yeah, well, no, yeah, we should have agents, we should understand them, and we should know that like the distinction between what we're kind of working with there versus probably what's close, like what's probably closer on the corner with quantum computing, and then maybe something that looks a little
Huh.
bit closer to. We are orders of magnitude away from what I would call like the AI that we're thinking of in Terminator. I do think it's probably closer than we think, but um, I guess for me, step one to your question, like we to answer the question and form that complete argument. It's like, what is AI? We probably got to answer that question before we decide we're adopting it as an organization.